Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing all good. Today I'm going to show you another freezer hack, as per usual, because I just love freezer hacks. And this one's to do with like summer cocktails, summer drinks. I'm going to be using Pimms, but you can do this for non-alcoholic drinks as well, whatever you fancy really. So I don't know about you guys, but we're not a family that has fresh fruit all the time. We maybe buy it with the great intentions of eating it, and then it goes off, and then we just don't buy it again because we've wasted like a lot of money. So I'm going to do another freezer hack which sort of solves our problems. So the main reason it sounds so bad, the main reason that I like fresh fruit is to put it in cocktails, summer drinks. You know, I don't always have alcoholic cocktails, I like non-alcoholic as well. And Pimms has got to be my, all-time summer favourite. So in this, we usually have cucumber, mint, strawberry, maybe apple. I don't tend to have that, but I know a lot of people do. Yeah, so mint, strawberry, and cucumber. Cucumber we sometimes have, but I don't really like it unless it's in my drink. And strawberries are so expensive. They're nice, but we just can't afford to buy strawberries on a weekly basis to fulfill our fruit needs. We'd much rather just buy apples and stuff. So I bought strawberries specifically for this because I know they're not going to go off and it's going to a good cause. Yeah, so I'm going to show you what we can do. I'm going to do a mojito version as well because, I don't know, when filming this I went crazy. I think I was just craving a mojito and I got all the ingredients out for Pimms as well as a mojito. I think I just wanted it, so it happened. So this just shows you an example that you can mix up the fruit and make it for specific drinks that you might like. First you want to get an ice cube tray, a handful of mint, some limes, strawberries and a cucumber, but I don't know why I completely forgot to get my cucumber out. And then you're also just going to need a jug of water. So all you really need to do is dice up the fruit. The size of this will sort of depend on your ice cube tray, but mine were really small. Once everything has been diced up, just start placing the fruit into the ice cube tray. Today I made these half mojito and half Pimms as they are my two favourite drinks. Once the ice cube tray is packed with the fruit and mint, pour over the water until it's completely full up, and then you just need to place it in the freezer until frozen. Once the cubes have frozen, simply pop them out and whack them in a freezer bag, making sure to label them so you don't forget what's what. It is also a really good idea to add the date onto these so you know how long they've been in the freezer. And it's as easy as that. Now you can have cocktails as and when you wish with all the trimmings. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications each time I post. Also, let me know down below if there is anything that you want to see. Over on my Instagram, if you're not, go have a look. I'm always putting polls and stuff up to see what you guys like, so you can also head over there and join in on all of that.